Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. Firstly, you have to open phone application, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the blocked numbers and go to Blacklist. So you can just tap on the plus icon here and enter number which is bothering you, tap add, and after that this number will never reach you again. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.